Stop building AI automation, start building agentic workflow. Google just released Antigravity that takes you from traditional no-code N8N platform to basically building anything by just sending voice notes or text. With tools like Antigravity, you just describe what you want and in few seconds you have it. You don't need to worry about connecting multiple nodes or debugging because the system figures it out by itself. In this video, I'll show you how to set up Antigravity. First, you want to go to antigravity.google. Once you get to the website, you see a button where you can download it, whether for your MacBook or for your Windows. I am using a MacBook for the sake of this tutorial, so I'm just going to download it on my MacBook. After the installation, you can see the setup now. I'm going to start afresh. I love the dark theme, so I'll go with the dark theme. I'm just going to leave all the settings as recommended. I'm not going to make any changes. I'll just keep going next to the recommended version, and then you continue by signing in with Google and next. All right, so you just say okay, and you can see this is our interface. This looks like VS Code if you're familiar with VS Code, but if you're not, yeah. So now I'm just going ahead to open the folder. I'm just going to name it Agentic AI and create it, and then open the folder right here. So this is the folder. You have to trust the author because you are the author, obviously. To the left side you can see the folder, and to the right side, that is where we are going to be writing our prompts. You can also use voice notes to send the prompts. So you can see on the left side we have different buttons there, but you don't have to worry about that yet, so it doesn't get too complicated.